video will walk us through a simple inventory transfer request using WiSys Agility 360 and SAP Business One. Let's go to Business One and take a look at an inventory transfer request. You notice I have inventory request number 6, and I am transferring a single product from Warehouse 5 to Warehouse 1. Let's go to the handheld and see how that happens. Using WiSys inventory transfer request function on the handheld, we can look up or scan the document that we require for the request. In this case, it's request number 6. We will scan the item. We default that we know it's from Warehouse 5. I will scan the bin that we'll be taking it from. It shows my availability as well as the warehouse we're transferring to. There is one piece remaining to be transferred. I will type in 1, hit save, and then post. I will go back to SAP Business One and refresh the inventory transfer request, and that has been closed and the task has been completed. This has been inventory transfer request using WiSys Agility 360 and SAP Business One.